Hey, it's Ryan with Optimize, and I have another real quick Shopify tutorial for you. So I've been trying to get a list of just all of my tags. I have a ton of tags, I have a ton of products, and I need to do some work on them so people can find all the products on my store. And I was trying to get a list of all my tags. I just wanted a list with one of each tag. And at first I exported the whole shebang, all of my products, and I was sorting the data, and I have like 30 lines, 30 rows of tags once I separate out all of the tags into individual cells. And Excel does all this stuff quickly, but it was a nightmare trying to get it down to one. So I reach out to Shopify Help here, and I end up figuring out how to do it as I'm talking to them. As I said right here, you can add this to your help center because their help is worthless in my opinion. They've never actually helped me, and it's really frustrating that Shopify limits you to what you can do if you do know a little bit about code and the internet and stuff like that. And it's just really frustrating that you have no access to DNS, no access to your checkout pages. I mean, it's freaking kind of crazy, but at the same time, they do have, they're doing plenty of things right. But this is how easy this is, guys. Go to any product. I went to products, all products, pick the first one. It doesn't matter because every single product is going to have view all tags. So you click on view all tags and you see this was my issue. I have a lot of tags, right? So watch this. Start up here, highlight them all, go down to the bottom, get them, Control C, come over to Excel, Control V, boom, every single tag, just like that, one of each in literally 10 seconds. So I hope that really helps somebody out and saves them a ton of time because I was freaking about to pull my hair out. But it's Ryan with Optimized. We build websites for small local businesses, getting into e-com, really just doing e-com for myself. But if you do need help getting your local business found in your local search results when someone's searching for your product or service in your area, we are excellent at that. And we're very soon going to be excellent at Shopify and e-commerce as well. But local SEO is our cup of tea. But this is my Shopify tutorial, how to sort, how to narrow down your tag list to one of each so you can work with it from there. And that is how you do it. Look at that. I had over, oh my gosh, 394 tags, and then so many have duplicates that I was coming all the way, up in here somewhere, like around 30. It was crazy. So that's how you do it. Hope it helps. Until the next video, catch you later. And hey, like and subscribe and stuff like that. It means a lot to people making these videos like me. All right, keep making money. Bye.